I want to ask you one final question. We've often found in governments in general, but this government also, ministers don't want to take accountability. Rail accident hua, everybody speaks about it except the railway minister, and this is true of many ministries. First of all, I'm glad.
I don't agree with that.
No, ये आपके.
And I am also an example.
No, so
I'm part of the government.
No,
I'm part of the ministry.
Let me pay you a compliment. Ki you are an exception, in my view. Ki you have actually come to address questions, and I think this audience appreciates the fact that a minister is come and is ready to take questions without. So I want to ask you this very clearly. That given the fact that you are answering the questions, do you believe that that should be the policy followed? Next time there's a rail accident, I should be allowed to question the railway minister in the same way that today I'm questioning Ram Mohan Naidu? Or is it because you are younger, थोड़ी energy आपकी ज़्यादा है, that's why you're willing to come in front of the camera?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I won't comment on how other people are asking, but that has never been the idea of the government. बट एक चीज़ अगर आपको लगता है कि मैं ये टफ क्वेश्चंस को फेस कर रहा हूँ, आपको यहाँ सामने बैठ के आपके पूरे क्वेश्चंस को मैं आंसर कर रहा हूँ, ये ओरिजिनेट करता है हमारी स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी हिमसेल्फ. आई एम लुकिंग एट हिम एंड फंक्शनिंग हियर. द स्ट्रेंथ दैट आई हैव, द विजन दैट आई हैव, इट एमिनेट्स फ्रॉम हिम. द काइंड ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन दैट ही गिव्स मी is what you are seeing here. तभी मेरे को रखा है ये सिविल एविएशन मिनिस्ट्री में to handle this kind of situation. Why did Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji have one of the youngest people handling this sector? Because he believes in the youth of this country, and I am exactly doing that. The kind of confidence that he has created. And the other thing that I want to mention here, you would know this more than me. I come from TDP, and my mentor is Chandrababu Naidu Garu. And every single time you would have seen that whenever there is a crisis, he is the first person to be there, handle the crisis right in front of the face and create an opportunity out of it and do the best that he can to the people of the country in a very accountable way. If the modus operandi that you had seen now, it follows the rule book of our Chief Minister and our leader Chandrababu Naidu Garu. So I have two sides of this, where Prime Minister Modi ji is there, who has his inspiring leadership, and my mentor Chandrababu Naidu Garu is there. I take both of them as mentors, as guidance from them, and it is with that as a young leader that I am functioning today.
Okay.